Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Showscren PC Monitor, 15.6-inch, touchscreen portable monitor, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because excellent FHD computer monitor. This 15.6-inch PC monitor displays vibrant and bright images. It features a high-quality IPS panel, 1920x1080 resolution, 100% sRGB, a 1500 by 1 contrast ratio, 300 nits of brightness, and a 178 degrees viewing angle. With HDR rendering technology, it provides deeper contrast and clearer picture details, offering an unparalleled viewing experience. Smooth 10-point touch technology. This touchscreen monitor utilizes capacitive touch technology, supporting sensitive multi-point touch recognition for precise interaction. Through the monitor's OSD menu, you can easily customize brightness, color, and other settings. The operating interface is simple and clear, making it user-friendly for all ages. Multiple connectivity options. This small monitor offers 2 connectivity options, HDMI and dual USB-C. With just one cable, you can connect it to devices equipped with a full-featured Type-C 3.1 port, such as PC, laptop, smartphone, Xbox, PS4 fifths, and Switch, making it plug-and-play with easy operation. The built-in dual speakers provide enhanced audio experience without the need for external devices. Multifunctional stand and VESA mount. The small computer monitor is equipped with a multifunctional adjustable stand, allowing not only height adjustments but also 180 degrees visual angle adjustments. You can freely move the monitor and adjust it to the desired viewing angle. The stand base has 2 screw holes reserved for desktop installation. Additionally, it supports VESA 75x75mm mounting, allowing for wall mounting or stand installation. Smooth operating experience. With a 60 Hz refresh rate and a 3 ms response time, this desktop monitor effectively reduces image tearing, motion blur, and ghosting, providing you with a smoother and clearer gaming experience. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.